A reputed gang leader and a teenager are among 4 people killed in the last 24 hours. TVJ's Shamela Pullen has details.
The familiar yellow tape and crowd in Rosemount, St. James, Saturday night. 16-year-old J. Chanel Gordon, a student of Herbert Morrison High, and her mother, 45-year-old Dion Smith, a gas station supervisor, were killed. The mother and her daughter were reportedly stabbed after a domestic dispute. Residents say Miss Smith and her boyfriend always argue.
Sometimes you used to hear the man quarreling with her, and we go and talk to him and it quash down. And me never know that things was going on. I was in my bed and me never hear any sound, me never hear she scream out, me don't hear nothing at all. So me never know that something was going on around there.
And them something that never happened at Rosemount yet, first something like this ever happened. So, I don't know what's going to be the outcome, but it don't look good.
Inspector F. Hunter at the Mount Salem Police Station is reminding couples to get professional help to solve problems.
They have a responsibility to report to the police so that the necessary action can be taken. Either referring person to the family court so that the issues can be dealt with properly, or they come to the police where the law can take its course.
Meanwhile, over in St. Mary, another double murder in Highgate. Shortly after 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon, 3 persons were at a house when gunmen opened fire on them. One of the deceased has been identified by his alias, Evil, a reputed gang leader from St. Anne, who was out on bail for serious crimes. The police have not yet released the identity of another man who died. A woman was also injured during the deadly attack. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.